Over 100 voters from 37 families officially quit Tipra Motha to join the IPFT during a courtyard meeting at Mohini Nagar, Kailabari in the Muhuripur-Buratali constituency on Tuesday. The new members were welcomed by IPFT candidate Suchi Mohan Tripura during his energetic grassroots outreach campaign, where he was seen interacting closely with the locals.
Joining members expressed deep dissatisfaction with the performance of sitting Tipra Motha MDC. Defectors claim that despite high expectations, promised developmental work in their area remain unfulfilled under the current council representation. IPFT leadership noted that many former workers are returning to the party as the election date nears, signaling a resurgence of the veteran regional outfit.
Your IPFT long live, long live, long live. Your IPFT long live, long live, long live. Atisha long live, long live, long live. Atisha long live, long live, long live. Atisha long live, long live, long live. IWFT long live, long live, long live. IWFT long live, long live, long live. Final edition Stronghold Stas Puru Kendra Suchi Mohan Tripura Bibul Joy Khai Nai, Khai Nai, Khai Nai.
Sini beskang seng kebang ma sini mau tapanong tung BJP panong tung seng samung tamane kono agung mani kre. Gaengke seng IPFT jodi se khomata phaka engke beskang IPFT samung tana kaham samung tana nge khakao. MDC to debujit na tungo.
Babusuk jara samung khlaika.
Bob to phaka bur sanai thangka debuji aro kono pata se kreka. Bur ma phaka bas aro phaise phalia. Tipra Motha nyangoi kono phaise nai phalia.
Mohini Nagar Kailabari o jaga je ani je age purna leader je khaklai bo kolkhai khana kisa phaigadi hini oro boni suk dukh joto khana kha korok ang je goto ADC 5 বছর যে MDC রক চালুই থাঙ্কা অবরক কিসা বনাইয়া ho over রাস্তা কरै তৈ কरै অবরন সাগৈ আনে সাগা দুঃখ প্রকাশ খাইও আমনি বাই বেলাই খা দুঃখ নাঙ্কা दा होननाय MDC जुदि आनो टिकेरि होकाय बगनो आं 100% आं साबुं तांनाय हनै वान सौता
Your IPFT long live, long live, long live.
Reporter Bibikram from Santi Bazar, Chini Khorang.